Hello everyone, it's me Emmanuel James. Over here now we have an isometric block, and then this is how it looks after construction, but we'll follow step by step to see how to construct it very easily. First of all, we'll draw a straight line, and every line we start with its faint lines, and on this line we are going to bisect the line and construct angle 30 degrees to the horizontal, to the left and towards the right. So this is the procedure for constructing, for bisection of line. And after bisecting the straight line, afterwards we can then construct angle 30 degrees to form the base for the isometric drawing. Now that's the 30 degrees, and that's the method of construction of 30 degrees to the right and also to the left. Now every dimension on the description given above, the diagram given above, because we see it in first angle orthographic projection where we have the front elevation and then the plan. So we pick the dimensions just as it is seen there, and then try to make it the same thing on the isometric projection or the drawing. We measure 25 as can be seen on the plan. What we're measuring now is 25 cm. On the diagram, where we just marked now is 12 cm. We project lines to that point and then draw it. Next is to measure the distance from that point, which is 25 cm as can be seen in the plan, from the plan. Now we project the same line, project a line to draw on the other side. Now from the plan, we can also observe that since we have 25 cm on the other side, it means the back also will also be 25. That means we measure 25 also at the back. So we project it upwards. Looking at the drawing, we have done the base. Now what is left now is the other part that slants upwards, and we can actually put it there because from the plan we see the dimension well stated there. So all we have to do is to measure exactly to the point where it starts and then try to get it exactly the same way it is so we can project it upwards. Now the thickness of the part slanting upwards is 25. We project line from the other side as well. We take a straight line, that's a vertical line to the end, and raise it upwards. We have to measure the height of the part that is protruding out, and then from the diagram we have it there as 25 cm. We need a straight line from that point, so we project a straight line to that point. Now on that straight line we're going to measure the thickness of that face, the length of that side actually, and it's 20. From that side now it slants down. Since we are having it in isometric projection, it means we have to be able to view this shape in three perspectives: the front, the top, that's the plan, and the side view or the end elevation. So what we have on one side, that's the line slanting down where we're marking now, is the same thickness, that's 25. We join in with a straight line and then make it slant downwards, just as it's being described now. And every description here, the construction is with faint lines. So everything now all set. Now we have to make it bold. Looking at it, the shape is gradually coming out and we are almost done. If we follow this step in construction, isometric projection will be so easy. So having said and done, we are almost done. This is the description of the first angle orthographic projection given the in isometric form. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe.